Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to download your build apps from Google AI Studio. First, open your browser and go to the Google AI Studio website. Make sure you're logged in with your Google account so you can access all your projects. Now, from the left side panel, click on Build. This is where all your created apps are stored. Next, click on your apps to view the list of apps you've built. Then select any app you want to download and click on it to open its details page. Here, you'll see the app preview along with its configuration and settings. Take a moment to confirm it's the correct project. After that, you can click on settings icon if you want to review or adjust any configurations before downloading. Now, click on the code option. This will open all the files that make up your app. Next, look for the three dots next to a file or folder. Click on it and you'll see the download option. Select it to download that specific file to your device. If you want to download multiple files, repeat the same process for other files and folders in this project. Finally, once downloaded, you can open these files on your computer, edit them, or run the app locally using a code editor. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.